Hello, it's another episode of Too Many Mods Garage. Today we're going to be unboxing another item from a Whippled Smurf build. This is a carbon fiber hood from Anderson Composites. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what it looks like. I already previously unboxed to look for damage when it got delivered from the freight company. So that's why it's being unwrapped right now. It's already been out of the box. It's got some pretty big louvers on it. Louvers are for heat extracting, getting the heat out of the engine bay. Should have a lot of heat buildup in there because I got long tube headers. Look at the supercharger. Heat showing to protect the carbon fiber from the heat from the motor. That's it for today. That's all I had to show you. This will be going on in my car in the next couple days. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll get back to you soon with some more racing. Thanks.